5 ducklings. 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Hey-da-dum, hey-da-dum.
4 ducklings returned, 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 came waddling back.
Hey-da-no, hey-da-no. 3 ducklings splash, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream, bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. Hey-da-no, hey-da-no.
2 ducklings roam, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called,
quack, 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 quack.
Only 2 ducklings came back.
Hey-da-no, hey-da-no. 1 duckling lost, 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. But just 1 duckling found the way back. Hey-da-no, hey-da-no.
No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called, quack, 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 quack. And all 5 ducklings came running back.
Hey-da-no, jo, jo, jo.
Na 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 na.